Hi, I'm Life Movement TV announcer Rebecca. Research continues for COVID-19, which causes a lot of loss of life worldwide. Good news from the USA. Harvard, the leading university in the USA, calls on people to practice yoga every morning to deal with coronavirus anxiety. It's time to try it now, said psychiatrist John Sharp, who explained that regular meditation was coming. Harvard recently checked yoga, meditation and breathing in the health guide, which is the right ways to relax. Experts believe that yoga can reduce the risk of COVID-19. We listened to psychiatrist John Sharp at Harvard Medical School.
Regular meditation is very relaxing. If you are not a yoga person, now is the time to try. Sometimes trying new things, discovering new activities that you can enjoy can be a pleasant and healthy distraction for you.
Stay tuned for the latest news with COVID-19. If you want to support, please subscribe. Hope to see you again. Stay healthy.